In this video, we are going to explore the new UV manager for Python. Do we really need it when we already have good tools like pip tools, pyenv and virtualenv? But here's the thing, even though these tools are good, they're old and slow. Enter the UV manager, a better, faster and much simpler alternative to these tools. By the end of this video, you will see why UV Manager is not just another tool but a revolutionary upgrade for Python developers. The UV Manager was created as a replacement for all the old Python tools you're familiar with. But it doesn't just stop at replacement. The UV Manager has all the functionality you already use but on steroids. It's a self-sufficient tool that can handle anything you throw at it. And the best part? It's designed to make your workflow faster and more efficient than ever before. But let's talk about what really sets the UV Manager apart. Its speed. The UV Manager is 10 to 100 times faster than pip. It's disk space efficient and uses a global cache for dependency deduplication. Think of it like a library. Instead of having multiple copies of the same book or dependency on different shelves or projects, you keep one copy in a central library. Need a book? Just borrow it from the library instead of keeping it on your shelf. This saves a lot of time and space. And that's just the beginning. But there are other features of the UV Manager that make it a game changer. It can install and manage Python itself. It can execute Python scripts. It can use tools published to Python. But these aren't the only features. There are many more which I won't cover in detail today. The best way to see everything it can do is to check out the links in the description below. Now let's dive into how to use it. Installing UV Manager. On Mac OS and Linux, you can install it using the curl command, while on Windows, you can install it using the PowerShell command. Since I'm on a Mac, I'm going to be using the curl command. To install multiple Python versions, you can run uv python install followed by the version numbers. You can list the installed versions with uv python list. And to pin a specific version for a directory, you can use uv python pin followed by the version number. The pin command makes sure that the given directory uses the specified version of Python. To execute a Python script, use uv run followed by the script name. In this directory, I have a file called hello.py. As you can see, this file just contains a simple print hello world statement. And if you want to use a specific Python version, use the uv run --python version followed by the script name command. Now, you want to use a tool without installing it, try uvx pycow say hello from uv. And if you want to install the tool permanently, just run uv tool install pycow say. So, is the UV Manager unnecessary? Absolutely not. It's not just another tool, it's a revolutionary upgrade that's replacing the old and outdated tools you have been using for years. If you want to stay updated with the latest and greatest in Python and programming, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for tuning in to today's bite-sized lesson. Keep coding, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.